ABT presents A2 Level Conversations. The Brisbane Cupcake Dream. A delicious plan takes flight. Vocabulary. Bakery. Lease. Statistics. Marketing. Easter season. Profit. Now that you have practiced the vocabulary and you make a picture in your mind, let's start. Characters: Maya, Daniel, Olivia, Noah. The Brisbane Cupcake Dream. A delicious plan takes flight. In a bustling coffee shop in Brisbane, Maya, Daniel, Olivia, and Noah huddle around a table. Laptops are open and excitement is brewing.
Okay, team. We've all agreed to open a cupcake bakery here in Brisbane. Now, where should we set up shop?
There are a few options. There's a charming little space in Fortitude Valley with a great vibe, but there isn't much foot traffic.
Interesting. Is there any data on average customer traffic in that area, Noah?
Let's see. The statistics show that the area is more residential. While there are loyal customers to be found, it might not be the best for high-volume sales.
Right. There's also that spot near the botanical gardens. There are loads of people there on weekends, but the rent might be sky high.
True. So is there a way to negotiate a lease, Olivia, perhaps with a revenue sharing clause?
There's always room for negotiation. I can definitely reach out to the property owner and see what's possible.
Here's an interesting one. There's a new development near South Bank with a mix of residential and commercial spaces. The foot traffic projections are fantastic.
And there's a lovely park nearby, perfect for families with young children.
That sounds promising. What are the rental rates like, Noah?
The rent is reasonable, especially considering the potential customer base.
Perfect. This could be the sweet spot we've been looking for. With a strong marketing campaign, we can build anticipation and attract customers even before we open.
Absolutely. Speaking of marketing, there are plenty of social media influencers here in Brisbane who love sweet treats. We could partner with a few of them to generate buzz.
Brilliant idea, Daniel. And speaking of timing, when should we aim to open?
Spring is just around the corner. The Easter season would be a fantastic time to launch, with all the demand for delicious treats.
Yes.
So, here's the plan for the next 4 months. Secure the bakery space, finalize the lease agreement, develop our marketing strategy, and perfect our cupcake menu.
Sounds like a delicious plan. With all of our skills combined, this bakery is going to be a Brisbane sensation.
Now, let's practice. In the description section, you can find the link of the material for this audio. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask. Leave it in the comments. We'll be happy to help you. For extra material or tips, don't forget to visit our Instagram or our fan page on Facebook. That's all for today. If you enjoy it, give us a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button for more awesome content like this.